You ain't know how we get down is always say the best for last. We still on abs. It's gonna be the last ab exercise. We gonna hit. We going 10 of those. King Rube said his grip's giving out. Supposed to. Like I said, it's something that's gonna help you be able to develop forearm strength, grip strength, and shoulder stability when it comes down to pull-ups. If you all know, the weighted pull-ups coming real soon. Took them out for a little bit to give my body a rest, but it's time to bring it back in. Ooh, see? Struggling. I got you. We're gonna clean it up. You're lucky you ain't got big feet. You ain't know how we get down is always say the best for last. Your best reps come the last set. No excuses. No excuses. If you start slacking on the reps, you gotta start all over. The Rock getting me. The Rock getting me. Starting to swing like a motherfucking monkey, dog. The Rock get me, bro. I don't even know where I'm at. I'm gonna say that's full. That was a struggle.